In this video, I will show you how to download Messenger Lite in Android phones. First of all, you have to go on your mobile browser like Chrome. Open new tab and search Messenger Lite app. Go to the first website, scroll down and click on the download app option. Another time, just scroll down and click on the download app option. After few minutes, the application will be downloading. Application will be downloaded. Just click on the downloaded application and choose installer and just install. After few minutes, the application will be installed.